Characteristics of the atmosphere. 7th grade science, unit 1. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. Our atmosphere contains the oxygen we need to breathe. It also protects us from the sun's harmful UV radiation. It is always changing. Our atmosphere is held around the earth by gravity. If it was not for the force of gravity, our atmosphere would disappear into space. What is in the atmosphere? Our atmosphere is predominantly composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, 0.09% argon, and all other molecules and gases within our atmosphere makes up 0.04% of our atmosphere. What is in the atmosphere? Mostly water. Liquid water in the form of rain, solid water in the form of snow and ice, and water vapor. We usually see water vapor in the forms of clouds or fog. When conditions of the atmosphere change, the forms of the water changes. Water vapor can change into snow or liquid water, and rain or snow might fall from the sky. Atmospheric pressure and temperature. Look to the picture on your right. Look at the man at the bottom of the mountain. Look at all of the atoms pressing down on the guy at the bottom of the mountain. If you'll notice all of the molecules pressing down on this man, he is holding up all of the molecules above him. He is experiencing high pressure. Now let's look at the man at the top of the mountain. Look at how few atoms are pressing down on the man at the top of the mountain. He is experiencing low pressure. Because there are so few molecules pressing down on him, he is not bearing as much weight as the man at the bottom of the mountain. Unfortunately, this also means he has fewer oxygen molecules in which to breathe. He may have difficulty breathing at the top of this mountain. However, the man at the bottom of the mountain has plenty of oxygen. Gravity pulls gas molecules towards the Earth's surface, causing air pressure. Air pressure is the measure of force with which air molecules push on a surface. Think of air pressure as a human pyramid. The people at the bottom can feel the weight and pressure of the people on top. Imagine you were part of this human pyramid. If you were on the bottom of this human pyramid, you would be experiencing high pressure. You'd be bearing the weight of everyone on top of you. However, if you were at the top of this human pyramid, you would be experiencing low pressure. There are no humans or molecules bearing down on you. Atmospheric composition affects air temperature. Air temperature changes as altitude increases. Have you ever noticed that when you travel to the mountains, the weather gets cooler? Temperature changes as different gases absorb solar energy more than others. We live in the troposphere. As the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. However, due to the different gases within the stratosphere, as the altitude increases, the temperature increases. Once you're in the mesosphere, as altitude increases, temperature decreases. In the thermosphere, as altitude increases, so does the temperature.